We basically start with just steel and aluminum. And we take that and we weld it, bend it, and we actually make ships. We did it from scratch. We build warships for the U.S. government, so you don't see that every day.
Manufacturing is Wisconsin's biggest sector, and Fincantieri Marinette Marine might manufacture our biggest product. They're building 7 Littoral-combat vessels for the U.S. Navy through 2021. That's why they're already planning for the next generation of workers.
And we're trying to engage the local high schools to where we donate materials for like their welding class, etc. We're trying to really get that engagement early on so that we're building that next generation of shipbuilders.
Increasing interest in manufacturing is why WMC started Manufacturing Month. Madison Kip makes die-cast aluminum parts for automobiles. I got to watch as high school students learned how computer-controlled robots are like video games. UW-Madison is also opening a new Granger Institute engineering lab this fall aimed at aiding Wisconsin manufacturers.
The Stone Age, the Copper Age, the Bronze Age, the Steel Age, materials enable technology, and if you've got better materials than your competition, you will succeed. Some of the capabilities that we'd like to develop that we think industry can take advantage of is smart manufacturing is a good example of this. How do we use sensors to collect information? How do we bring product to market faster, twice as fast, twice as cheap? How do we take all this data? How do we put together a good physics model? How do we control the process? How do we increase our safety margins? And this even applies to food.
Manufacturers need technology and less regulatory burden to compete globally. That's a message Ullman is taking directly to U.S. Secretary of Commerce Penny Pritzker as part of the DOC's Manufacturing Council.
You're no longer just competing with U.S., you're competing at a global level. We need to invest more in our U.S. infrastructure. Truck drivers sit an average of 3 hours on the road due to various issues with road construction, to traffic issues, etc. That's all on the manufacturing's burden.
But regulations are just one of the challenges manufacturers face.
They've got to make sure that they watch their bottom line if they're going to stay in business. What can we do through our interactions that provide the right kind of people, the right kind of skill sets, and the right kind of capabilities so that they can remain competitive for the region and for the state and for the globe?